Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Dubai. Welcome to my vlog, Yorme 23.
Talaga na hindi nila makikita. So pagpasensyahan niyo yun kasi tao lang din naman itong mga to. So kung hindi nila makita, adjust na lang. Well, again, ine-emphasize.
Alam naman natin basketball, physical game. So wag lang gagamit ng mga extra siko, extra foot. Sir, pag
This is final games. Green Lancer versus
kahit star player yan, coach.
Red Team UP.
Basta, hindi, ibig sabihin basta
Play safe.
Star player yan, basta
Enjoy the game.
at talagang sinadya, lalo na yung mga alanganin sabay. At kung kailangan itapon na. Okay, sir?
Paano pagdila? Single file, kasi wala mo na bibitaw, pipicture na sila.
Tapos, sir.
Adong.
Wala, sir. May concern ba yung coach? Wala. Ayaw, coach. Wala.
Picture.
Check us, ha?
Green Team Lancer. First pass. Team Lancer. Reyes Allen. Kuya Dos. De la Rama. And Herbert. First five, Team UP. Dan. Al Carrion. Bandrang and Molina.
Larama. 24. Kumuha ng Lopos. 2 points. Badaguas drive. And he gets fouled. Number 18 from the free throw line. First drive, basket is good. Second drive. Yes, sir. Badaguas layup. And 1. 2 points. Molina for 3 points. Allen. Number 5 drive. First drive by Herbert. Jersey number 5. Another basket from number 9. Kinabulapa. Herbert. Number 24, Lugulen. 5. 14 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds. 5.
Kaway-kaway naman dyan!
Number 18. Ramirez. Drive. Tegilid. Wala. Diba? Number 15. Suka. Wala ba rin? Dala-dala. Grabe yun. 14 seconds to shoot. Nakakita sa ilalim. Ang ganda ng booking. Drive. Ayun. 2 shots. Number 1. Wala. Jump ball. Okay, may tama na. Masok. Yorme. Long to the Yorme. Ayan. I-shoot mo daw. Ayun, pinasa mo. Anthony, 46 to shoot. Tito Botin. Robot ko, Tito Balet. Ondon. Okay.
Dapat Tito Chris! Yun!
10.
Sumablay pa.
Ipos. Running time.
Siyempre, may pabanda to. Kaya Cesar. Mainit, mainit. Kaway-kaway muna kayo dyan.
Mercado. Dead. Dead. Mercado. Sa Badagos, binalik kay Mercado. Nag-iisip. Pinasa kay number 24. Guarded by De La Rama. Sa gilid, 40 seconds to shoot. Pupupos na lang yan. Kailangan din. Time out!
Si Badrang nandito, di ba? Tinao niya. Ikaw, Joel.
May Badagos? Ayun, may tumagawa. Ayun, agawan naman. Kuha ni Mercado. Mercado, layup. Basket pa. Basket is good. 10 to shoot. Masuk. 14. Haba Badagua. Last 2 minutes. Time.
Tira!
Wala.
Oy, out sila ha. Out.
Okay, 8 seconds. Okay, meron tayong timeout pag basket ha. Kayo na lang. May tanong tayo pag-shoot. Ang wala, diretso yan. Botis, penalty na, botis. Penalty, botis. 8 seconds, 49-50.
Joel. Jason. Okay, ikaw.
8 seconds, pagtanggap ng receiver sa kagagana ng oras, pagtanggap ng receiver. 5.
Game ball. Final score 51-49. Green Lancer champion. Second place Team Falcons.
Tawagin natin ang Team UP. Palakpakan naman mga fans ng Lancer dyan. Kahit na magpapalo, dinedress kayo. Once again, ang ating first runner-up ng ating Chief PNC Basketball Tournament 2025 Season 3 from Team
First place, Team UP.
Oy, back-to-back runner-up din pala ang UP. Talagang ang Lancer talagang tinig sa kanilang lalamunan.
Shout out to all BA.
Oy, muli po
Welcome
maraming
shop.
salamat po sa pamunuan ng
And
Chief
also
PNC.
to all my big boss, Sanjay Lama, Boss Shapik, Boss Tangkachan. Stay healthy always.
Congrats, YSL shout out. YSL number 1. Shout out, Jordan 23. Congrats, Mike. Congrats.
Guys, thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Don't forget, subscribe, like. Yorme 23. Thank you very much. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Enjoy your life. Thank you for watching. Maasalam. God bless.